Today, we are going to be demonstrating a very famous psychological experiment known as the Asch experiment. This experiment tests conformity and whether or not a person will say something incorrect simply because everyone else is. What matters more, being right or fitting in? We have 5 professional actors that have been instructed to do as we say. Often they will be lying about what they think the answer is. But in position number 5, a real participant who has no idea what's going on will be seated. Now, their task is to match the length of the line on the left with one of the lines on the right. But what if everyone else in the room gave the wrong answer? Would you be bold enough to stick out and say what you saw, or would you just fit in because it's easier or less uncomfortable? Well, let's find out.
So welcome everyone. My name's Ron. Your task is to choose the line on the right that matches the line on the left. I'll just call on you individually, in order, 1 through 6.
The calm before the storm.
Okay, so let's begin.
The first few times, we're going to have the actors say the correct answer to gain the trust of our subject. The correct answer here is 3.
3.
3.
Number 3.
Number 3.
3.
1.
1.
Number 1.
Number 1.
Number 1.
Now they're all going to start lying.
The correct answer is 3. Let's see what our subject does.
1. 1.
Pretty quickly, she appears to be confused.
1.
Okay, number 1.
Number 1.
3.
1. You can see participant 5 closing one eye, then the other, trying to figure out why everyone's wrong, but she's not going along with them.
Again, the correct answer is 3. Let's see what our subject does.
Number 1.
Number 1.
Yeah, number 1.
Number 1.
3.
She's sticking to her guns, but she appears to be uncomfortable opposing the group. This time, the correct answer is 2.
3.
3.
Number 3.
Number 3.
Number 3.
Wow.
3.
She's falling in line. Will she do it again? The correct answer is 3.
1.
1.
Number 1.
Number 1.
Number 1.
Conform.
Conformity, the desire to fit in, peer pressure. These are powerful social forces that shape our actions and beliefs and influence how we behave as individuals and as a society. In the original Asch experiments, first carried out by Solomon Asch in 1951, approximately 75% of subjects conformed at least once.
1.
Hi, Ron. Sorry to butt in, guys. My name is Michael. I just wanted to kind of ask you a few questions about the study you've been doing. This is a study on conformity. And everyone in this room is an actor, except for you, number 5.
Oh my God! Oh my God! This is so crazy.
And they've all been instructed to give the wrong answers to see if you'll follow along.
Whoa.
You did say the wrong answer after everyone else had said the wrong answer. Why did you do it?
I thought there's something going on here. I don't know what to do, so I'm just gonna say what they said.
How did it feel to do that?
It felt like I was drinking the Kool-Aid. Like
It's very normal. This study wouldn't be as famous as it was if it wasn't normal. Though it is surprising because so many of us would say, no, I would always say what's real.
Right.
Would you?